புதுச்சேரியில் உள்ள 5 நகராட்சிகள் 10 கொம்யூன் பஞ்சாயத்துக்கான உள்ளாட்சி தேர்தல் 3 கட்டங்களாக நடைபெறும் என புதுச்சேரி மாநில தேர்தல் ஆணையர் ராய் தாமஸ் அறிவித்துள்ளார். முதல் கட்டமாக காரைக்கால், மாஹே, ஏனா மாநகராட்சிகளுக்கு தேர்தல் நடக்கிறது. இதற்கான வேட்புமனு தாக்கல் செப்டம்பர் 30 தொடங்குகிறது. கடைசி நாள் அக்டோபர் 7. வாக்குப்பதிவு அதே மாதம் 21 நடக்கிறது. புதுச்சேரி உழவர்கரை நகராட்சி தேர்தல் 2ஆம் கட்டமாக நடக்கிறது. வேட்புமனு தாக்கல் அக்டோபர் 4 தொடங்கி 11 தேதி வரை நடக்கிறது. 25ஆம் தேதி வாக்குப்பதிவு நடக்கும். 3ஆம் கட்டத்தில் கொம்யூன் பஞ்சாயத்துகளுக்கு அக்டோபர் 28 தேர்தல் நடக்கும். வாக்கு எண்ணிக்கை அக்டோபர் 31ஆம் தேதி நடைபெறும்.
We are going to have the elections in 3 phases. In the first phase, the municipalities of Karaikal, Mahi and Yanam will be taken up, along with the commune panchayats of outlying region Karaikal, namely Kuttucherry, Nedungadu, Neravi, Tirumalayar Pattanam and Tirunellar. There will be 364 polling stations for this election first phase, and the total voters for the first phase will be 2,30,502. In the second phase, it will only cover the municipalities of Puducherry, Pondicherry and Owlgate, and it involves 631 polling stations, 4,41,199 voters. And on the third phase, the commune panchayats of Pondicherry, namely Ariyankuppam, Bahur, Manadipet, Nettapakam and Villianur will be covered with 634 polling stations covering 3,28,555 voters. So in the first phase, there will be 276 posts, second phase 77 posts, third phase 796 posts, and the total posts for election will be 1,149 posts. Now I am coming to the schedule of the elections. The first phase of election, I said we are covering Karaikal, Mahi, Yanam, Kuttucherry, Nedungadu, Neravi, TR Pattanam and Tirunellar. Here, the date of notification of election will be, and the start of filing of nomination will be on 30th September 2021. The last date for filing of nomination is 7th October 2021. Scrutiny of nominations will be the next day on 8/10/2021. The last date for withdrawal of candidature is 11th October 2021. And the poll for the first phase will start on 21st October 2021. Now I come to the second phase of elections. Second phase, consisting of the Pondicherry and Owlgate municipality, the date of notification of election, start of filing of nomination will be on 4th October 2021, and the last date for filing of nomination will be 11th October. Scrutiny of nomination will be on 12th October. Last date for withdrawal of candidature is on 15th October, and the poll day will be 25/10/2021. In the third phase, consisting of the commune panchayats of Puducherry, Ariyankuppam, Bahur, Manadipet, Nettapakam and Villianur, the date of notification of election, start of filing of nomination will be on 7th October 2021. Last date for filing of nomination will be 15th October. Scrutiny of nomination will be 16th of October. Last date for withdrawal of candidature will be 18th of October, and the poll day will be 28/10/2021. After poll for all the three phases, the counting will be, for all phases will be on 31/10/2021. The polling hours will be from 7 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. with the last 1 hour scheduled for, that is 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. being earmarked for COVID patients and patients with the symptoms. Also, facilities for postal vote for COVID patients are provided, and for persons above 80 also are having the same facility. With this announcement, the model code of conduct comes into force with immediate effect from today. The model code of conduct, laws on the conduct of local body selections and the relevant information of electoral rolls, polling stations, contact details of the DEOs, REOs, ROs, AROs and other officials of the State Election Commission are available in the Commission's website sec.py.gov.in.